Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the latest leak from Google, the Google Health logo that might replace the Fitbit app. This is huge news for all you fitness enthusiasts out there, so let's dive right in. The new Google Health brand is all about a heart that appears to be drawn with a brush. It's a stroke. The entire heart shape isn't filled and has negative space. It's a very unique design, and it's leveraging the gradient color scheme that we've seen from other Google products like the Google G, Gemini, Home, Photos, and Maps. The icon is appearing alongside Google Health Premium in some international Google stores after adding a Pixel Watch or Fitbit device to your cart, and some global Apple App Store listings have leaked the Google Health Premium brand and pricing. It's looking like it's going to be $9.99 per month or $79.99 annually, which is the same as the current Fitbit Premium. In terms of design and build, we're expecting the Google Health app to be a game changer, with a new and improved user interface and some exciting new features, like advanced health and fitness tracking and personalized recommendations. The specs and performance of the Google Health app are still unclear, but we're expecting it to be a powerful tool that can help you take control of your health and wellness. One of the new features that we're most excited about is the ability to track your health and fitness goals in a more personalized way. With customized recommendations and insights, it's going to be a total game changer. There are also some rumors and leaks that the Google Health app might replace the Fitbit app entirely, which is a big deal, and it's going to be interesting to see how this all plays out. The expected release date and price of the Google Health app are still unclear, but we're expecting it to be released sometime in the next few months, and it's going to be a free download, with the option to upgrade to the premium version. In our verdict, the Google Health app is shaping up to be an amazing tool for anyone who wants to take control of their health and wellness. With a unique design and some exciting new features, it's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and we'll catch you all in the next video.